Alright, welcome back. So in this assignment we're going to be applying the grayscale filter. And yes, I do struggle to spell grayscale. Sometimes I do it with an E instead of an A. This one will require an A and not an E though, so let's keep that in mind. Okay, in this code we can see they've already applied a class grayscale, and unfortunately that's been spelt incorrectly. Let's try that one. Okay, so we have a new class grade on this one, Greyed, and what we want to do is apply a filter. So we don't need to do anything in here. You can see I've got a picture from the Library of Congress, which is going to be different than the picture that you're going to see on your web page. But my style sheet is empty, just like yours, and we're going to apply this to the class Greyed, Grayed. And then we got our fancy brackets, which means that we're ready to apply a filter, Filter, colon, and this one is grayscale, Grayscale, parentheses, and inside the parentheses we want a percentage. Okay, so what percentage are we going to choose? Well, let's try some different percentages and just take a look at and see what that does. So for 10%, for example, not very much grayscale. You saw that change just a tiny bit. So let's bump that up to 30%, and watch the change. There it is, again a little bit darker. How about 60%? Let's double that, 30. Boom, it's getting much darker. Now it's not really darker, I should say. I'm maybe using the wrong word here. It's that it's getting rid of the color, isn't it? And that's what grayscale does. So let's bump this up to 80%. Well, not 800. There it is, until finally we reach the goal of 100%, which should remove all of the colors. So any colors that are in there now have been taken and replaced with a grayscale. And that's all we really need from this assignment. As long as you got this code into your style sheet, you are in good shape. And so if you need the code, now is the time to pause the video. But that's it for me.